Everyone these days are freezing their eggs, but isn't it just as important to know how to scramble them? French isn't only the best way to kiss, but also the best way to make eggs. To start, pick some fresh organic eggs. To fluff your eggs, choose the right whipping tool that works best for you. This one seems messy and a bit rough for such delicate ingredients. This one is bouncy and light. The last one takes some additional wrist work, but it's good for taking the perfect bite. For a dairy-free yet buttery dish, grease up that bowl with some refined coconut oil. Once it's all melted, break the eggs open. Don't be afraid to stick your fingers in to fish out any broken shells. Keep the eggs wet by creating a bagnio di Maria by placing a heat-resistant bowl on top of boiling water. Add a pinch or two of salt and pepper. Use your wrist to start fluffing the egg mixture slowly, very slowly. As you move it all around, curds will begin to form. Once the consistency gets thicker, switch to a spatula to keep the rim clean and the curds moist. When the eggs become stiff enough to hold together, ecstasy, so good, you'll want to smash some more.
Is it good? Is it good? How good is it? How good is it?
It's real